Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to unsubscribe Netflix application in computer. So how to unsubscribe Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. To stop subscribing, we have to go to the membership menu. The method is to direct the cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Here there is a profile icon. Tap the icon, and a scrolling menu will appear. Then select the account menu. Here you will enter the account menu settings. Here there are many menu options that can be used. Here I go to the membership menu to stop subscribing. Here it is already in the membership menu. Scroll down to find the membership channel icon. To stop subscribing, you can tap the icon, Cancel Membership. Unsubscribe Netflix is to stop the subscription of an active account, so that you will not be charged further after the subscription period ends. By unsubscribing, you will lose access to all content available on Netflix after your subscription period ends. So that's it, tutorial how to unsubscribe Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.